yeah.
I did that all by myself.
Oh, you're pretty cool.
I mean, I
yes.
could drive it to work.
No.
I want to.
No. That is not a good idea. What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video.
Okay, I gotcha.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna wire the gauges, and then I'm gonna have one of you two put the HID kit in, and then
I feel so weird. I'm not holding it.
and then bolt this thing up, and then we're gonna take it to work.
Yeah. So he's planning on towing it to work.
Hopefully.
So, we could use ratchet straps.
I don't want to do that though. Yeah, as fuck.
I got 6 of them.
I'm literally like 2 minutes away from work. That's how I feel.
Yeah, but I don't drive it.
No.
There's a lot of cops. Oh, I saw a GTR the way here. It was
green?
Sweet. White.
Yeah, I know who you're talking about.
Yeah.
He used to have a
That was cool. I saw a Porsche, I saw a GTR, I saw my car, more Cavaliers. I saw plenty of Cavaliers.
No way.
Is that a Cavalier?
No, it's a piece of shit. I mean, oh, and I cleaned my car too.
I thought it was clean to begin with.
No, I cleaned it. Like waxed it and everything. It was good. We don't have that much work to do today. Just gonna finish up like little things and then take it to your work and we're done.
So we literally all you have left to do is fucking put the filter on. I'll wire all the gauges and shit in.
Yeah.
And then got a bracket for the clutch. Yeah, I got that. I still gotta put in. Oh, the exhaust, the fire can hanging.
Oh yeah.
We'll just find some random bolts that fit. And just...
So we got the filter on. Oh god, I lost it there. Putting those in. Oh fuck.
You've heard of Elf on the Shelf. Now we'll get ready for Scooby and a Scooby.
Turn it on.
Which one's brighter?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Oh yeah. It like warmed up and it got even brighter. It's crazy.
Thick. I got those for free too, and they're brand fucking.
Did you really?
Yeah, he just gave them to me.
That's awesome. Oh damn.
Good, because I was gonna run HIDs too.
I like it. It makes it look really weird on camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Is it doing the flicker?
Oh, it's like blue.
No, yeah.
Oh.
It's like blue. You're like white. So we're looking for Philip.
We don't know where
To
Philip
go
went.
in that little Phillips hole. Tighten it up.
He ran away.
So what? We can't find Philip. Ah!
You scared him.
I found his cousin. Uncle Flathead. Philip. You can't find Philip. Philip, you happy ending. Yeah, we got the headlights in, the catch can thing. Those are tight, I think, already. He never took those off. He's doing something. What are you doing?
Little hold up thingy thing for the clutch can.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
The clutch master.
So we're almost done here. He took the part. Oh my god, that was not English. Took apart the dash again. Yeah. Quality.
Alright, so
it's all in tight. Oh wow! Alright, so we just jacked off the car. And Mitch, you want to do some exhaust work on it, right?
I'm gonna have you guys do that.
Fuck me.
You gotta find 2 bolts that thread into there.
We did the exhaust, so it's a little bit higher. We sent it, it went right in.
Well, we did the headlights. We put the air cleaner on.
Air cleaner?
Tighten the line. We put the little clutch catch thing
yeah.
on, and now we're doing the pods. We did the exhaust. I think that's about it.
Yeah, just needs a tune. We put this bitch on the road. We go fucking make a really nice video. So we still got Mitch wiring up things. He's wiring in sensors. Just a little bit more work. Little stupid things. And then we go drive it. What are you doing?
Oh, it's too big.
Yeah, I know. I get that a lot. In ball joints, you said, right? So he's oh my god, he already wired it in. The gauges that sit right on the dash, screwing it in so it's quality and in there. And then we're gonna put the dash back together. What else then? I don't. Oh, and we have to tighten the ball joints. Damn. Did it work? I'm sick of seeing this dash apart. Oh my god, is it done yet? He's doing some wiring.
That green was the coolant.
Coolant, yeah.
Yes.
Well, David's here. Hey boss. Did you do your truck? Yeah, hell yeah. Does it feel different? Holy shit, yeah, they look a lot bigger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at the fucking tread on them.
I see them. Yeah, Mitch wants the tow straps for towing that piece of junk to his work.
Tonight?
Yes.
I don't have one. I snapped mine out.
Oh shit. Do you want me to lower the car?
Yes, please.
Okay, I'm gonna lower the car then. You're gonna start the car now? It's so empty.
I can imagine.
There's no gas in
no
it.
fucking way it's gonna make it to the gas station.
Rip.
Dude, there's no gas.
So we're finally putting the dash rack in. That was not oh my god, English. Fuck off. So did you have to rewire it?
Don't watch me when I do this. I'm trying to tuck the wires.
Why don't you just undo them and run them underneath? Okay, but then you're saving fucking cutting your dashboard. Fuck this dashboard. What?
What are you doing
I
there?
gotta flip the other way. And
He's making it tight.
Great. Oh. Who put that there? What? No. Yeah. Alright, I'm never getting my keys back. What is this?
he'll never lose them.
Holy.
You asked for it.
Shit's getting weird, Cameron.
That's how I like it.
There you go.
I've actually... Wow, that's actually crazy bright. But my camera is doing some weird stuff. Let me lower it. Oh, that looks sick, dude. Let's get some shots of this. Oh, yes. Alright, so he's putting some gas in it, but I just finished up some of the shots. Alright, so he wants to take it to 7-Eleven, which is highly illegal, but it's Mitch. Oh my god. Probably.
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Your battery sparked back there.
Yeah. Nice.
Mitch, turn it again. Anyone got jumper cables?
I do, in my car. Yeah. So we gotta jump the car first. You're pumping a tire with a bike. Okay. So we're gonna jump the car and take a ride to 7-Eleven and fill it with gas, which is highly illegal, but don't tell the cops. This is quality. Alright, so I'm grabbing my jumper cables from my car. Pop my trunk. Oh my. There you go. I think I'm gonna have them in this bag. If not, then Mitch is screwed. These are really small. Alright. Those will do. I have my cables. These are brand new.
You see that new filter over that?
Yeah, the new
How much was
air
that?
filter. It's nice and shiny. Oh my god. Alright, so we're preparing to take a ride. So what, you're gonna ride first?
I'm gonna go first, then Mitch, and then Jake.
Don't want the cops today.
Jump down it.
Yo, that's sick. Oh yeah.
You're good on your car, kid.
Scrape. Wow. Holy crap.
Downhill.
Alright. That's good. Oh god.
Need some WD-40 on this bitch.
Yes. Oh god. Doesn't want to start anymore. Why is it firing? Alright, so Jake is gonna run to the gas station, fill it with a little bit of gas. It's so tiny. Alright, he's filling up with a little more gas. It's probably like dead empty. Then we're gonna start it up. Hopefully it starts. It was just running earlier. The theft light came on, but that can't be the issue. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you keep going. Now she has some juice. It's not even going pop, 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 pop. She needs gas. Please start. Suck my bout. Okay. It's gonna be loud as dick, and you're gonna get the cops called.
No, we won't, because we're not driving in one spot up and down.
No, we won't, because it's not gonna start. I'm kidding. It just started earlier. No issues. Yeah, you have some gas in there. Enough. Yeah, just pop it open. Wait.
Well, that's what I'm saying. If we push them out this way, we can push them back down that way.
We're gonna bump start them, and it's gonna be pretty cool and pretty ghetto. Damn. I think we should take a 30-second break when we get to the mailbox. Yeah, it's brand new lines, brand new filter.
With all the old gas sitting in there, him putting the new shit in, it'll start to let all that new stuff come up, and with him trying to start it, it's gonna try to suck it through.
He's dying. Oh my god. Okay. So we got the car back in the garage, or in the driveway. We can't get it started. Yes, it's flooded. No, fuck you, Dave.
Fuck him, fuck me, fuck him, fuck you, fuck us, fuck all of us.
Yeah, that's bright as hell. Dude, that's sweet. Swapping the bulb
Those bright ass
to a brighter one. Lieutenant Dan?
No. Fuck. Dude, I'd run the 8000.
Oh my god, just look at the camera, you can tell. You guys try to start it again? Oh. Yeah.
Battery.
It just must be fun.
What? Do all that work.
I dropped my drink.
Alright, we got a car in the garage. We're ending the video here. Yeah. Everyone's taking off. I'm taking off here too. Oh, I just knocked it over. Anyways,
Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the like button again, and then again. Hit the like button, subscribe, for notification, and watch all the other videos, because he needs hours.
do that, yeah. Check out the 2 videos right here. Do what he said, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Yeah, good luck finding your juice. Like, I have no idea where it is at all. Yeah, I don't know where your juice is.